2 ounces tube includes needle. 270 feet per tube. Includes needle. Used as a whipping cord. Made in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. High-quality wax thread. It's exactly what the page claims, high-quality wax thread on a spool with a needle. It's also made in the USA. I used it to whip some splices in a bunch of 3-strand nylon rope. I don't like relying on melting my splices, so I prefer to use the old method of whipping with wax thread. If I have any complaint, it's that the wax seems a tiny bit too slimy. This may actually be a good thing, but I am used to a wax thread that is a bit more stiff and chalky. Either way, the splice I used this on was used all summer to life over 100 pounds and was almost constantly submerged in fresh water. I checked the whipping at the start of fall, and it looks like brand new.